Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to use watermark on photo or video in Canva. The first thing you do is open up your Canva, which is by going to www.canva.com in your browser, and then it brings you to the home page just like this. Now next thing you want to do is to pick a design that you want to put the watermark. Before we go any further, what's a watermark? A watermark is a recognizable image or pattern embedded into a digital or physical document to identify the owner, prevent unauthorized duplication, or add a decorative effect. Watermarks are typically semi-transparent and placed over the original content, ensuring visibility without obstructing the view. Now, we have some importance of watermarks that will make you, these are the reasons that will make you want to add a watermark or use a watermark in Canva. And one of them is copyright protection. Watermarks help deter unauthorized use and distribution of copyrighted content. They clearly indicate ownership and discourage others from claiming the work as their own. The second reason is brand recognition. Watermarks can be used to promote a brand or artist by subtly incorporating their logo or name into the image. This in turn helps them build brand awareness and recognition. Also, watermarks can verify the authenticity of documents, preventing forgery and fraud. They are often used on currencies, passports, and official certificates. So, now let's right into how to use a watermark on your design on Canva. The first thing we do is let's pick a design. Let's tap on create a design. Let's just create a design. We can use a template. I just want to show you how to do it. So let's say I want to use this particular template. Alright, so I want to change it to mine. So instead of beauty salon and spa, I change the name to KC salon and spa, KC Kitty. Okay, KC Kitty salon and spa. Alright, now this is my design. I edit all this and stuff, and once I'm through with all this, I can change the features and stuff to make it really mine. Let me change the color. Let's change the color. Let's see something else, something different. Let's see. Let's change the color of this particular place. Let's say I want to use a different color from the usual. Okay, that's not a good color to use, so let's just stick to the one we used before. Seems this one was better. Okay. Okay, I've changed the KC Kitty to a different color, so you can do a lot of stuff. I want to make it stand out, so I may use the blue color for it. And the next thing I'm going to do is I want to add a watermark. Before you can add a watermark is like a text, remember, or an image. So let's start with how to add a text watermark. Now, adding a text watermark to a photo is quite simple. You simply upload the photo, which is in this case our design, and then you add the text by clicking on the text button. This is the text button. Click on it. Now I can start to use a customized watermark or to use the text button. Text button is here. I add the text box. I write what I want, and then leave over here and turn it to a watermark. Or I can take the easy way out by tapping on elements and then search for watermarks. And then I just simply choose the one I want. These are different types of watermarks. We have the graphics one. Many of them are for premium users. So since my name is KC Kitty, let's say I want to use the K watermark here. And this is X. Let me pick the K. Let's pick the K watermark. Is there a K? Yes, there is, so we pick it. Now this here, next thing, remember it's a watermark. You can see it is semi-transparent and it is to be over design. As you can see, this is kind of blocking the design because of the color. So let me see if I can make the color blend more as I'm blending. Since this color is still too much. Alright, so it's too big. Let's make it smaller. And have it put somewhere where we can lock it. Okay. Not that good of a designer, as you can tell. I'm sure if you are good, can tell exactly where I'm supposed to put this watermark right now, but as you can see, I'm struggling with it. Anyway, let's say I want to put it here and then I'll lock it there by clicking on this so it can be moved. Alright. Now, next thing you're going to do is, don't forget you can adjust, like I just did, and make it smaller, make it bigger, change the color. You can even flip it if you want. You want to do that, so unlock it first. So when you unlock it, right now it is locked, sorry, unlock it. So click on it, double click on it, and unlock it. So you get it, you can rotate it. Okay, the rotation isn't really on my side. So you can bring it to the front, bring it to the back. Let's say I want to layer it to the back. Send it backwards. Okay, let's do that. Let's make it big and send it backwards. You can see it's at the back of the designer instead of in front of it. So you see there are many things you could do. Now it actually looks like a watermark. Looks better like a watermark. I want you to try with this, you simply download the attachment, share up here and download it. So now when you download it, don't forget to choose the size you want. If you consider watermark is best to use PNG you want, and then you limit the size compared to 5 you like. Use the transparent background, you stay down to download, and then you can see it's downloading it. So if you want to use an image instead of using a text, this is like a text kind of image. Let's say actually going to use a photo as a watermark. For example, let's say I want to use all this one's approved, so I have to look for something else. Let's say watermark background. No, that's not what I mean. They're doing a water background for me. Let's go back to photos. Okay, I have done something I'm supposed to do. Let's go back. Forgot to save. Okay, let's do that watermark again. As you can see, the watermark is gone. So let's put our watermark again. So okay, so I go here, tap on the watermark, bring it here, make it bigger, and then we change the color, and next I right click on it and then layer, go to layer and tap on send to the back or send backwards. I have sent the wrong thing backwards. Actually it is backwards, this text is above it now. So it's actually in front. Let's send it backwards. No, let's send the watermark backwards. So right click again, layer, send to the back. Yes, send to the back, not send backwards, and it is there. As you can see, I'm laying this together. Add a little bit of knowledge, and I have more knowledge. Okay, So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to download it. Type on share and then tap on download. Then you choose it is. Guys, Google side. I'm going to tap on download. Right now it's downloading. You can share your design directly by creating public view link, and you can use it at any time. So let's go here. Let's see what our design looks like. You can see it's downloading. 2.5 megabytes, but one had already before. Let's see. Maybe we can open that one. As you can see, here is the watermark. So, as I said, you can also use an image by tapping an element. In the same process, you choose watermark, choose the picture, the image you want to use. Choose the image you want to use. So let us see all. Let's use photos. Let's look for the photo we want to use. Let's say watermark. Let's say I want to use this one. This I have so far, so let's see if I like this one. Next thing, we tap on the right layer and then send to the back. And now you can see it's now behind as a watermark. It's as simple as don't forget to say share and download. That's it. But don't forget there are some cons. There's some disadvantage to using watermark. Now the disadvantage is that watermark can sometimes distract from the visual appeal. Like if you look at it now, you can see that the watermark is kind of distracting from the visual appeal. It's looking kind of cloudy and kind of choked up. We look at it, it doesn't look as good as it used to. So that's one of the disadvantages. So because sometimes they're too large, too prominent, or poorly placed. In my case, too large, poorly placed, and too prominent. Then it also reduces the image quality because most times the watermark will be a low quality one. It can degrade the overall image quality. And then lastly, watermarks can, yes, it can detail casual theft, but they're not foolproof because the time individual may still be able to remove or alter the watermark. So it is important to strike a balance between protecting your work and maintaining its visual appeal. By carefully considering the placement, size, and transparency of your watermark, you can effectively safeguard your content without compromising its artistic value. I've been able to help you today on how to use watermarks on photos and videos. The same thing with videos. It's a video, you upload a video and do the same thing for the same steps. So it's as simple as that.